Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey.
We have a few jobs to do today. A bunch of stuff we've got to take to the tip. We have all of this stuff, the old insulation, bunch of bags, and then we've got to take these to the tip to allow us to take up the rest of the floor, to then start stripping out the deck house. Then we'll be in good shape for a few days' time when we leave to go to the UK and have a little break from Bluey. Better get on with it.
This energy I spend on you, but after all.
Fifth tip run finished. Mariah is just doing her due diligence with the camper van because we made a bit of a mess. That is an awful lot of junk you got rid of. Probably got one more tip run to go. Well done. Have a cup of tea next.
I don't think we have time, maybe.
No? All right, no time, okay. Boss is cracking the whip. Proper Frisian lunch. Lekker kibbeling. Fried fish with some herbies on it.
And the sauce is great.
Tasty.
Hunger, it reminds me of a time I was younger. Just a boy.
Quite a bit of the floor up. It is so wet underneath the floorboards. Just goes to show you, when we actually bought the boat, you didn't see any of this underneath, and it's just a swimming pool. I'm really looking forward to pumping all this out, getting the boat on dry land, solving all these leaks. Look at these little webs of fungus which have grown on the bottom of this board. This is the floor that's come up. It really gives me Last of Us vibes, so it'd be good to get rid of it. The boards are very wet. There's a boat next door who needs some working boards for their ship, so they're going to have them.
Jeremy's doing the floor downstairs, as you can hear, and I'm gonna start with the shipper's hut. I can't wait to continue working with the crowbar.
Finally, we have no more floor. Tomorrow I'm going to come back and I'm going to get all this water out of Bluey, ready for April when we come back and start the external stuff on the boat. Everything's stripped out in here. How good is that?
It's so sunny above the and I hear you sing about
Show your aggression face.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.